You are all here because this will make you even more lazier than before. And one-click audio repair. In this episode, I go out and clip my audio. Clipping, 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 clip. Put my mouth too close to the microphone.
In front and back, in front and back.
Film in an echoey room.
This is because I don't have any foam on my walls and I have only 2 tables inside.
Speak with different voice levels.
This is a testing the voice leveler, and this kind of works when you don't stand just in front of your microphone.
Have too much traffic noise in the background.
Highway behind me, and also I have cars passing in front of me.
And use my kitchen mixer to make cakes. By the way, in the end there is a big giveaway for the Era 4 bundle, so stick with the video. We all know that for perfect recording conditions you need good audio knowledge and great equipment to make it work perfectly. Sometimes you don't have the time and the tools to make it work perfectly. From my experience, when you are recording a run and gun wedding and you are in a big echoey hall or church, your sound recorder and your sound that you recorded will not sound so podcasty just like you wanted, but it will be more echoey.
You have declared your consent before the church.
Run and gun situations when you are reporting outside and you have a lot of traffic going behind you. In your studio where you don't have perfect soundproofing for your room. There is a plugin program from Accusonus called Era 4 that will make your life easier. It's a one-knob tool for your sound repair that will work with all major NLA programs like Premiere, DaVinci, Final Cut, Avid, Audacity, Vegas Pro and more. There are 5 knob tools that will be of a great use. Noise remover, reverb remover, voice leveler, de-esser, plosive remover and declipper. The noise remover can easily remove the buzz of your air conditioner, traffic behind you or any unwanted noise that you have running on when you are recording. Turning the knob to your wanted percentage.
This is a test just for the Accusonus noise removal because I'm filming with a big highway behind me and also I have cars passing in front of me. So you can have an idea on how this one knob tool works in this kind of a filming environment.
I would not actually recommend to go more than 40% on the knob because this will be actually kind of more of the sound clarity and noise removal balance. Then we have the voice leveler that will gain consistency in your no so great position from your microphone if you are moving in and out and gain different audio levels throughout your recording.
This is a testing the voice leveler, and this kind of works when you don't stand just in front of your microphone but you kind of move around and your audio is higher when you are close and less higher when you are going back and forth. This kind of test, and you can get an idea because I am switching on and off the audio leveler.
There is also the great reverb removal that will actually remove all your echo and hollow sounds if you recorded in big spaces and halls.
You have declared your consent before the church. May the Lord in His goodness strengthen your consent and fill you both with His blessings. What God has joined.
There's also the plosive removal. What does it mean? It means that when your microphone is too close to your mouth and you don't have a windscreen in front of it, it will remove the puffs that you get from your mouth entering your microphone. And finally we have the declipper. This is actually when you're recording your audio on too high levels and distorting it. It's kind of when you're using your camera and overexposing. The declipper will try to gain it down.
So close to the microphone that you get clipping in every single little bit of your voice. So close to the microphone that you get clipping in every single little bit of your voice.
All these tools have some limitations, and if you destroyed your audio completely, it's up to you to record better next time, and with this program fine-tune and make out the best from your recording. If you watched this video until now, you are for sure here for the 5 license giveaway that I'm doing right now. It will last for 2 weeks, and after that the program will choose one of 5 lucky winners for the single knob tools. Enter the giveaway through the link in the description, and after 2 weeks one of the 5 lucky winners will be chosen randomly by the program. Good luck! If you are not a winner, you can also get the Era 4 bundle with a discounted price, also from the link in the description. I want to know from you guys, is it an useful tool for your production? Comment section down below. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell ring icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.